Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Dodge journey with a key. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, waiting a few seconds for the vehicle's systems to initialize. Then, continue turning the key to the start position. Once the engine begins to crank, release the key, and it should spring back to the on position. This simple method is usually all you need for a quick start. If your Dodge journey doesn't start immediately, don't panic. Sometimes the steering wheel can lock, preventing the key from turning. Gently wiggle the steering wheel left and right while attempting to turn the key. Also, confirm that your gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. The vehicle's safety interlock system prevents starting if it's not in one of these positions. These checks can often resolve common starting issues quickly. For models with a push-button start, a weak key fob battery can sometimes prevent the car from recognizing the key. If this happens, try holding the key fob directly against the start button while pressing it. This allows the vehicle to detect the key's signal more easily. If the problem persists, it's a good idea to replace the key fob battery. Most key fobs use a small coin cell battery, like a CR2032. To avoid future starting troubles, consider keeping a spare key fob battery in your glove compartment. Regular vehicle maintenance, including battery checks, also plays a crucial role in reliable starting. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is a happy vehicle. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. We hope this video helps you confidently start your Dodge journey every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.